good evening. Anything that we discuss today would be for educational purposes only. I would like to welcome you all to Digital Trading Floor. It's a platform where we disseminate financial data in real time and provide actionable insights for educational purposes using various live streaming technologies. Follow along as I navigate the markets by trading in my own account, and hopefully, you can learn how I analyze data in real time to make trading decisions. Our agenda for today would be analyzing Nifty on multiple time frames, as well as we would be framing a view for tomorrow, that is 16 September. We would be analyzing options open interest as well as straddle charts of multiple strikes, and we'll be discussing a watch list for tomorrow. And in the end, I would be discussing how you can access digital trading flow for free for 12 months. So let's begin. Since yesterday was an outside candlestick, we had anticipated that today we might either break the low or either we would be making an inside candlestick. So what happened was we opened gap up and then we sustained higher levels, and finally overall we formed an inside candlestick today. So if you remember, this weekly open is 11,540 and our September monthly open is 11,464. So currently monthly time frame is in control of buyers right now as of this moment, because price is above 11,464 and it is trading above its open. And on weekly time frame we are trading below its open, that is 11,540. So there is a possibility that tomorrow, if we break 11,536 on the upside, we would be making an upside break from this inside candlestick, and in that scenario above 11,540 we would have a situation in which monthly, our weekly as well as our daily time frame would synchronize to the upside, and in that scenario buyers are going to be aggressive, taking the market towards higher levels. We would be discussing options open interest. Max pain for this weekly expiry has shifted from 11,450 to 11,500 over here, and max pain is the level at which option writers, if market were to expire at this level 11,500, they would suffer the least amount of losses. Based on overall open interest, we can conclude that 11,700 is the overall resistance and support is 11,400. So broadly speaking, we are in a trading range of 11,400 to 11,700. And if we see the open interest change for today you would observe that we had our call open interest overall decreased today by almost 14 lakhs today. What this means is that the people who had shorted calls, they had booked their losses because market basically traded higher today, and those who were long the call, they booked their profits. And we can see overall today approximately 37 lakh puts were written, and we can see over here that 11,500 is a strong support as of this moment. So it is giving us clues that there is likelihood that tomorrow a price may break to the upside from this inside candlestick, and in that scenario our target for upward levels would be 11,600 or so levels. Above 11,521 we will trade towards 11,535, then 567 and 591 eventually. And for bearish scenario, since it's a inside candlestick on the daily chart, we have to be flexible. So below 11,475 we can trade towards 11,442, 11,417 and potentially 11,386. So for conservative traders, price below 11,521 to 11,475 is neutral zone, so they can refrain from trading in these levels. However, they can purchase above 11,521, and for aggressive traders they can even short below 11,521 levels for potentially trading towards 11,475 and 11,442 level. This is for aggressive traders, but ideally we should be refraining from trading between 11,521 to 11,475 levels. We would be discussing our stock watch list for tomorrow. It is Bharat Forge, Tata Steel, Infratel and Tata Motors. And before I discuss my stock watch list, I want to first highlight our straddle strikes, which I forgot to do. I'm sorry about that. So let's see over here. Today 11,400 strike. It basically was flat today. By flat I mean that we broke the previous day low, but we were again coming back in previous day range. So when 11,400 was basically flat, overall we can conclude that market was not going to be making an attempt towards 11,400 level, because if market was to trade at 11,400 levels, then we would have convincingly broken below previous day lows of the straddle, and we would have basically trended down on the straddle. So here is like 11,500 straddle. You can see that we traded below its previous day low, and you can see we basically trended down for the day. So it was a clue that market was going to be uh, trading toward the 11,500 strike. So today we saw that overall market was declining as well, and it intraday it also, if you see over here, it basically it came towards 11,442 levels, and again there was a dip to 11,464 levels. So these dips were bought based on those charts, because 11,500 straddle was trending down. So it gave us a clue that we could potentially buy the dips, because 11,500 straddle was trending down. So that gave us a clue that market was going to be trading towards that strike level eventually intraday. So our stocks for tomorrow, they are all inside candlesticks that I've selected. So here you can see on monthly chart, Bharat Forge is under control of sellers. On weekly time frame, we can see that it is under control of buyers. So monthly and weekly are in conflict with each other, and daily time frame is basically an inside candlestick. And if we trade above 482, then we will potentially trade up towards 492 and 512 levels in Bharat Forge if we break the inside candlestick to the upside, whereas if we break the inside candlestick to the downside below 471, we may potentially trade towards 454 levels on Bharat Forge. In Tata Steel, if we see on monthly time frame, we are trading below its open, so it is under control of sellers. Weekly time frame is again under control of sellers. So we would have time frame continuity to the downside if we break the today's low, that is 403. Below 403, we can potentially trade towards 385 levels in Tata Steel. But we have to be careful as it's an inside candlestick, so we can also trade to the break to the upside. So we have to be ready for that as well. Above 411, we can potentially trade towards 415 and potentially 420 levels on Tata Steel. Infratel, it is currently at 202.5, so 200 is a psychological level as well. Below 200, we can potentially trade lower as well, and today is an inside candlestick. Below 200, we can easily trade towards 190, 185 levels in Infratel, and to the upside above 205, we can potentially trade toward 210 and 215 levels. And if we analyze it on multiple time frame, on monthly candlestick, we have formed an outside month it is an ongoing candlestick, so it's currently an outside candlestick on monthly, and it is currently under control of sellers. It is trading below 205, and below weekly open is 204.95. So we are at a very pivotal level. So if we break to the downside below 200, then we would have time frame continuity to the downside, but since the levels are close above 204, we will uh, as you can see 204.95, our weekly candlestick would also turn green. So in that scenario as well, we can have potentially an time frame continuity to the upside. So all these levels are clustered around 204, 204.95 and 205.7. So above 205.7 overall in Infertel, we can have time frame continuity to the upside, and below the psychological level of 200, we can have time frame continuity to the downside. So it's at a very pivotal level. And we'll finally discuss Tata Motors. It's an inside candlestick over here. On monthly, it is under control of buyers. On weekly, again, it's under control of buyers, and on daily time frame, it's an inside candlestick, and above 149.5, we would attempt to trade towards 155 and 160 levels on the upside. But since it's an inside candlestick, below 146, we can potentially trade towards 140 and 135 levels as well. This is our stop watch list, and finally I would be discussing how you can access Digital Trading Flow for free for 12 months. All you have to do is log on to www.digitaltradingflow.org, and after opening the web page, you would have to go to click on pricing, and basically Digital Trading Flow is a platform in which I would be producing 7 hours of live programming. I would be broadcasting free for everyone from 9:15 to 10 a.m. on YouTube, and a private live stream for 5+ hours from 10 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. So if you open an account with Samco by clicking on this link, you would get free access to private live stream from 10 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. And benefits of opening an account with Samco is that, as you can see over here, you get 100% brokerage cashback, and leverage for option selling intraday is 10 times, which is exceptional for a day trader. And you just have to click on that link. It would take you to my franchisee link. You have to register, enter your name, email and mobile number, and after creating an account, you would get access to the private live stream from 10 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. And finally, I would like to conclude that I would request you all to like this video and share this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel.